Hi everybody. Heads up, I gotta make another video. I'm in the makings of it. I spent like 4 hours reflecting, and some people say maybe a download. Well, not quite a download. It's inert wisdom, and I got it all from, to start with, a birthday. Oh, wait till you hear. It's really eye-opening. Have a happy birthday. Yeah. I spent in reflection, and synchronicities happen, and higher mind access, because I no longer have to go into like a Yoda position or something to meditate. It comes easier because my higher selves are all around me, and I'm feeling meanings, and I was writing them down. So, just wanted to give a heads up. I'm working on that video. I've got everything wrote down. I just have to, normally I just have to do the video, but normally I don't plan nothing. It's like all spontaneous. But see, earlier I woke up and I just can't do it. With all that came through, it was just like a boom. Alright, I'm going to upload this, so you can be expecting that I've got some deeper perspectives. Alright, much love all. Always check out my descriptions, because you never know when I'm going to be inspired to say. Alright, see you soon. Bye.